Every great transformation begins with destruction, not of who you are, but of what no longer serves you. Every day starts the same. A flood of notifications, endless tabs, 1,000 voices pulling your attention apart. I hit my limit when I realized my focus was fractured. I wasn't lazy. I was overloaded. You think you're being productive, but deep down, you know you're not. The more apps I added, the less I created. The more I tried to optimize, the more I lost myself. You can work all day and still feel like you did nothing. That's the cost of digital chaos, draining your focus, energy, and creativity. There comes a moment when you realize deleting apps won't fix it. The problem isn't the phone, it's the system around it. I was done reacting. It was time to rebuild from the ground up. That moment was the start of the creative destruction. The idea that before we can build something great, we must destroy the noise that keeps us from it. We've built a world that rewards reaction over reflection. This channel isn't about hacks. It's about systems, science-backed frameworks to reclaim your time, rebuild your attention, and master your skills. We explore the psychology of focus, the science of learning, and the power of AI to help you work smarter, not harder. When you break old habits, you lose control. You gain clarity. When you design systems, you don't restrict freedom. You create space for creativity. And when you build with intention, your life starts working for you. This is the transformation we're building. One system, one habit, one focus block at a time. This isn't motivation. It's method. I use these methods to reclaim over 10 hours a week, delete forgotten subscriptions, and rebuild my focus, finding time for what truly matters. You can, too. For example, last month I did a 30-minute digital detox, decluttering my phone, email, and desktop. It saved me $187 in forgotten subscriptions and freed my attention. Try this. Challenge yourself. It might literally pay for your next meal. You're not just watching a YouTube channel, you're joining a movement of creators, thinkers, and builders, reclaiming their attention in a world designed to steal it. If you're ready to destroy distraction and design your focus, welcome to the creative destruction. We don't run from distraction, we rewire it. This is where your focus begins again. Subscribe to join thousands rebuilding their digital lives with clarity and control. Every week, you'll get practical systems from productivity, digital wellness, learning science, productivity systems, learning faster and living intentionally, and destroy what doesn't. Subscribe today, and let's build the systems that build you.